ん、こんにちは。I'm YUCa.
I'm Sui.
Good. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chestnut rice. Kurigohan in Japanese. It's one of my favorite autumn foods. In Japan, people say autumn is for sports, and for arts, and for appetite. Means eating. And for me, of course, it is a time for appetite, when I can fully enjoy the flavors of autumn. This time, I'll introduce the simple food with using chestnuts. But I think the hard work here makes the chestnut rice taste even better. In your country or in your city, do you have a special chestnut dish or menu? If yes, please let me know. I'm so interested in. As always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as my helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So chestnut rice, the Kurigohan is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Ooh, the chestnuts are all over the rice and lovely to look at. I realized that autumn has finally come. Ooh. The sweetness from the chestnuts goes well with the glutinous rice. Chestnuts are so big. It is so moist and glutinous. So that's why I like to combine the normal rice and glutinous rice. ごちそうさまでした。So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: if you have time to spare, soak the chestnuts in plenty of water for 2 to 3 hours. Tip: when cutting the chestnuts with a knife, be careful not to slip and cut your fingers. Tip: please put some salt and steam the rice. It tastes so different. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was today's chestnut rice? It is a luxurious recipe that allows you to taste a lot of chestnuts. Means the taste of autumn. Please recreate this recipe and tell me how you liked it. Okay everyone, see you next time. Bye bye!